Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Reels not uploading on Instagram. So, that problem actually happening on the PC users much more than the mobile Instagram. So for the mobile Instagram users, it's so simple to fix that problem. You just need to look for an update and update your app Instagram, and you can also clear cache and it will work for you for sure. For the PC users, the problem is kinda weird. So, of course, there is a solution. For me, I will show you my case when I go into or through the Reels. The page turn into an empty page, and I can't see any Reels right here. So, the solution, what is the solution? I want you to go to the search bar of Windows below and then type Advanced System Settings. Click on it and make sure you are on advanced phase, and then go to the settings of performance. Click on settings and turn that option on, or check that option, animate controls and elements inside Windows. Then click on apply and OK. Alright, so let's get back into Reels from another page. Alright, and let's go through the Reels option, and yeah, it's appear again. Anyways guys, the solution is so easy. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.